have a hard time matching a pitch, using a chromatic tuner can really help. So here, go ahead and turn your tuner towards the screen. See how the A lights up? That's the first pitch of your song. So can you use your voice to make the tuner hit that A, just like you'll need to do at the beginning of your song?
If you
Just ah. Here, turn it towards the camera so we can see what's going on. Can you still see if it says ah? See how it says F? So that's a little too low. We gotta go up. Almost there. There it is. You hit it. You're kind of a little between.
Yeah.
In the crack. Try it again. There you had it.
If
just a little higher. There it is. Did you see?
Cracking up. Yeah, I did. I'm cracking up though. There it is.
So I'd recommend getting your tuner to say A to you several times. Like maybe try to get the A to show up like 5 times before you start singing your song. Each time with the karaoke track to make sure that you're beginning on the right pitch. And you can try to hold that pitch in your head during the introduction so you land right in the right spot. You want to try one more time? Turn it towards yourself so you can see when you get home and watch this. You can see what's going on.
I can't see it.
Hold it up a little higher so you can see the... There you go. Too high.
Yeah. I can't see it.
You're at G sharp. You need to just go. You went up a whole step instead of a half step.
Let me look at it.
Yeah, go ahead. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, so a lot of times people don't always think about singers using a tuner. People just think of instrumentalists using a tuner for tuning their instrument, but singers can use a tuner to help with intonation. So as long as you use a chromatic tuner. Yeah. Yep.
Okay.
All right. Ready to try the song again?
Yep.
Great job.